Codex is OpenAI's software engineering agent. Codex can run in a terminal, in your IDE such as VS Code, and even straight in the cloud, meaning you can access it from your PC, your laptop, or your phone. The fastest way to access Codex is by going to chatgpt.com and clicking on the Codex tab. It will then take you to a new tab and you'll be on Codex. To begin a task, you want to first select an environment. Now you can go to Manage Environments, Create Environment, and after you've selected your GitHub account, you can then input your name, description, change a couple of things around like container image, and if the agent has internet access, and even connect to an interactive terminal. And once you've done that, you can create your new environment and you can start building in that environment. Back on the home screen, you can also decide to branch out, which I recommend when working with AI software agents. You can decide whether you want 1, 2, 3, or 4 versions, which then work in parallel, and then you choose the best one. And also by clicking on this plus sign, you go into plan mode, which is when the agent doesn't interact with your code, doesn't change it at all. You can ask questions and get feedback on what you've already done. You also have the option to upload attachments such as photos to provide more context in your prompt. So this is a screen that you get hit with once you start a project. In this chat interface, you can ask questions or ask it to change code, debug, or even run in the terminal and test over endpoint. You have a chat interface right there. Now you can also look at the diffs and the logs. You can archive it, which means putting it in an archive, share it, which means creating a link. And from this tab, this is a tab where you typically interact with Git and GitHub, where you can view PR, you can create a new PR, you can create a new branch, you can do whatever you want. The furthest button to the right is notifications. Codex was built hand in hand with GitHub, so I recommend you learning the basics of GitHub before you start a Codex project. Codex is currently available for Plus, Pro, Edu, and Business accounts.